Students, just check whether the board is visible. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will wait one more minute for the students to join.
The board is clearly visible.
Okay, very good. The board is clearly visible. Let me start. I'm going to post the link in the classroom, as well as I will give you the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, of what?
We are going to do the worksheet based on the patterns.
Today.
Yes. You know, we have already started the chapter number 10, play with patterns. I'm going to give you one worksheet in the classroom today. You all have to do that worksheet right now in the class. Either you can draw in the notebook or you can turn the um, worksheet into the Google Docs.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Now it's coming or not?
Ma'am, now it's coming.
My voice is clear or not, students?
Ma'am, it is clear. Ma'am, it's perfect. Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, I'm going to give you the link in the classroom as well as in the chat box. Yes, please.
I have a math workbook.
Maths workbook for
Yes.
practice.
Yes,
It's okay, you do practice at home. Maths chapter 10, worksheet 1 we are going to do right now in the class. Go to the classroom. Refresh your classroom, students. And giving you the link in the chat box also. So please go to the link in the chat box and open this worksheet and start doing. And please let me know if you are not able to open this. I'm going to present my screen and I'll show you here also on the screen.
Ma'am, we can do it in Google Docs.
Yes, you can do.
Ma'am, we have to do means take print of this. So
Either you can take printout, it's up to you. I'm going to present my screen here and we will discuss the answers how we are going. As you know, we have done the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation also. Yes or no, students?
Yes. Mine are showing thing only.
So, not showing Nishwa.
Yes.
Please go to the chat box. It is there. The link is there in the chat box.
No, ma'am, it's showing, but I'm going. I is entering the password, and I enter now. It's not coming.
Do one thing. You log out from all the Gmail accounts and then again enter in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. There are means we have to take them or we have to draw them because
Tick
there
them,
is
tick
no.
them, tick them. A, B, C. So you can see the first one. So tell me which option is correct.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C.
C
Ma'am, we
option.
can circle this.
Circle also, tick also. Up to you. So first answer is
C.
C. Second answer is
White.
B.
B. Third answer is
C. Oh, sorry. B.
uh, tell me students fast. What is the third answer?
Ma'am, A.
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 A is the third answer. Fourth,
Ma'am, B. 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 B.
Think and tell me fast.
B. B. B.
Next, fifth answer.
C. 1. C. C.
C. Sixth answer.
B. B. B.
C. First is, which shape is this?
Ma'am, in sixth one it will come B. Ma'am, is it like the pattern is over and new pattern will start? Again, it will be continued like that.
First, it is hexagon, right?
Yes. Yes.
No, it is octagon.
Ma'am, it will be B.
Octagon, then it is septagon, then it is hexagon, then it is pentagon, then it is,
Triangle.
yes, then it is square. एक एक साइड इसकी कम होती जा रही है बच्चा, if you notice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then it is answer is A. This is triangle.
Okay, ma'am.
Next will be
B.
C.
tell me.
Ma'am, it will be A.
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 Ma'am, A.
See, first it is like this, then the small of this is like this, right? Then oval, then small circle. Then it is,
Ma'am, A. It will be
then
A,
it
ma'am.
is rectangle, and then it is coming small square. Then it is triangle. It will be A.
Ma'am. And ma'am, I am doing it in Google Docs, so my camera will automatically shut down.
Okay. Done, everyone?
And we have to click the photo and submit you also, no?
Yes. Or either when you do the submit me later on also, no problem. But
Ma'am,
submit me
I
today.
can, ma'am, today I fall down na. So when I was after the
We will discuss, Vihan. We will discuss later on, bacha. Okay.
I'm saying that I can write at the Google Docs I opened. I cannot write in this. I can write it down.
Yes,
there?
no problem.
Okay.
I'm discussing the worksheet number 2 now. Complete the pattern. Finish off the next two faces in the pattern. Children, I'm discussing this right now. When I will send you in the classroom, you that complete it and send me back. Okay. First, I'm discussing the answers with you all. See, first is you can see the faces and then follow the next two, complete them. So what will come here?
Oh, ma'am, shock.
Circle will come and then smiley.
Smiley.
Yes, next pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the next? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next is shade the last two shapes to finish the pattern.
Ma'am, red and
blue, yellow,
red, blue.
yellow, red.
Blue.
Wait,
Red circle
wait, let
and
me
blue.
speak. Blue, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red. So what will come in this circle? Which color will come?
Red.
And which color will come in the square?
Blue. Blue.
Blue. So you need to color them and then send me the worksheet. Okay. Complete the last two dies. First dice 1 is showing, next 2, then 3, then 1, 2, 3. What will be the next?
1 and 2.
Yes.
One and
The way the dots are shown in these here dices, you need to draw the dots in the same way. Shade the last three patterns: gray, yellow, yellow, gray, yellow, yellow. So what will come?
Grey.
Yellow. Gray, yellow, yellow.
Gray, yellow, yellow. Gray, yellow, yellow. So what will come? Gray, yellow, yellow.
Ma'am, this worksheet you have not sent in the class.
I have not sent yet. I will send after the class. Then you will complete in that. Right now I'm just discussing with you all. Clear? X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X. So what will come in the next?
Y, Z. Y, Z.
So 2 worksheets are clear to you all how to complete them.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me show you the third worksheet. This third worksheet is based on the number pattern. Okay. Identify the number pattern and fill in the missing numbers. So first is showing 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. Every time 2 is being added to the previous number. Right? 2 के बाद 4 है, 4 के बाद 6 है, 6 के बाद 8 है, 10 है. Then they come to the next 17, 19, 21. So again here 2 is being added every time in the previous number. When you go to the third one, 48, 44. So what have you observed here? Are they, it's something added or something subtracted? 4 minus every time from the previous number. 48 minus 4, 44. 44 minus 4, 40. 40 minus 4, 36. 36 minus 4, 32. 32 minus 4, students?
28.
28. This way you need to fill the boxes and come till the last. This is clear. Now please take out your notebook. On the number pattern I'm going to give you more work. Please take out your notebook and now write it in the notebook.
Ma'am, when we will do magic pattern?
We will do today if we get time.
Ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I had a network issue, so I left and joined again. So, ma'am, what are we doing?
We are going to do the number pattern now. Please write it in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what was the answer at the 7th one at the first worksheet?
First worksheet, 7th one. Let me check. I think A it was. A.
Yes, ma'am.
First, everyone complete this number pattern and then I will ask the answers from you all. Are you all writing? My board is visible to you all?
Yes.
It's clearly visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am. After blanks, there is something written, ma'am. Or not?
Where? After?
Blanks.
You need to write, fill these blanks.
Ma'am, I was saying that.
Okay, here, nothing.
And ma'am, there are only 3 blanks, no?
3 blanks.
Okay.
We have to write in the max notebook, not the revision one.
This is new you are learning. Whenever you are learning new concept related to the chapter, you have to write in the maths notebook.
Ma'am, I was asking after blanks, we have to put and means full stop.
Dot, full stop, yes. Let me take the attendance and then I will ask from you all. And please write this. If you know the answers, write it in your notebooks. And please write fast. 5, 20, 35. What will come, Aradhya, next? What will come, Aradhya, next? You don't know 5 में क्या add हुआ है? Either you do 20 minus 5 when you do, no? You will get the difference is 15. Means 15 is added every time, then the next number is coming. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. So children, आप minus करके देख लो next number में से previous number. So you will get that what is being added to the next number. So 20 minus 5 you do 50, it will come 15. So 15 is being added every time and then it is following. So 35 plus 15 is what, students? Ane?
50.
50. 50 plus 15 is Kevian.
Ma'am, 65.
65. 65 plus 15.
80.
80. This way you will see.
80.
I request Kevian to please write in the notebook. Divit, 2, then 4, then 8. Tell me the next number. Very good.
Ma'am. 4, 6, 8.
Anna, mute yourself, please.
10.
10 नहीं आएगा बच्चा. I'll tell you why. Mute yourself first. Anna, mute yourself, please. It will not come 10, bacha. See, every time the number is double of that next previous number. 2 ka double 4, 4 ka double 8, 8 ka double 16, 16 ka double 32, and 32 ka double will be 64. Have you noticed here that every time 2
Yes.
is not being added? Every time the number is a double of the previous number.
Ma'am, but it is also like this, that 2 plus 4, 2, then 4 plus 8, 4, it comes.
2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, means double ना. 2 बार आप add कर रहे हो ना same number को. Right? Here is 8, then 20, then 32. So, what is being added every time? Can you please tell me?
Ma'am, may I say 12. 12.
Yes, Nanya, 12. So, when you add 12 in the 32, what will come next?
Ma'am, 44.
Very good. Moksh, tell me the next.
Yes. Ma'am, it will be 56.
56. Viva, tell me the next.
68.
Excellent. 68.
I say the next one, ma'am.
Viva, are you missing your school today?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is after
Because
32
I can
in
see
B?
you are in the school dress today. Very good.
Ma'am, may I say something, ma'am?
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, Viva knows that a pattern goes like on Monday we wear white, then housewise we wear. Also there is pattern.
Yeah, and there is also a pattern in your dresses.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, it will be 48.
It is going every time 12 is being added, or you can see the table of 12 is going in this pattern. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are
60.
Niva. What will come next? Niva?
60.
60. And 12 sixes are, what will come next, Dhyan Patel? 12 sixes are
72.
72. आपने देखा होगा every time 12 add हो रहा है previous number में, or you can say the table of 12 is going in the sequence. Now 55, then 16. So what are we adding, Rajvi Nakhare, in the next number?
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am?
11.
11. Yes, 11 is being added, then the next number is coming. फिर 16 में 11 प्लस करोगे तो 27. Yes, now tell me, Vedant, what will be the next when you add the 11 to the previous number?
Ma'am, 38.
38. Next,
39.
Desh Kumar, what will be the next?
49.
49. What will be the next, Nishwa? Nishwa,
Yes,
please speak.
Yes. It will be. It will.
49 plus 11.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, may I say? I can't.
Vihan Dobaria, 49 plus 11.
Ma'am, I can say. I have done.
Yes, please
60,
tell me.
ma'am.
Yeah, 60.
Ma'am, it is like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Yes.
Ma'am, what did you say to me?
Nothing. Done. Answer is done. Lower down your hands. Jigar Singh, lower down your hands.
Hello, ma'am. But in B1, we can also see like this that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 plus 4 is equal to 8.
I told you that only, no? Every time the number is double of the previous number. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, दो बार आप add कर. Double means what? Same number is being added 2 times. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. Got it?
Ma'am, but in even number pattern.
Yeah, this is when it is, these are even number. All the numbers will come even numbers.
In
Odd and even.
in adding 2 then 4 then it will come 6, so it will be like that.
Don't get confused, bacha. It is very easy. Clear? Can I erase it? Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Turn on your mic, camera, please. Students, be little fast.
Sir, ma'am.
Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Little
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
is only. Little bit it only.
I am erasing the first and second.
Ma'am, may I think what?
It is till the D1. I have done till the D.
Yes, please go for water and see there are 3 dashes.
This time I knew this. And now you can erase. Mine is done.
Ma'am, I know this pattern. The F1.
Ane, tell me the F1. Vedant, tell me the F1.
And the F1 is done.
Don't raise hands. I will call your name. Lower down your hands.
Ma'am, the F1 pattern is like 6. Then 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Then 12 plus 12 equals to 24. Then 24 plus 24 will be first 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Ma'am, it will be 68, I think.
My dear, can you see the table of 6 is going 6 1 is 6 6 2 is 12 6 1 is 6 6 is 12 6 3 is wait a minute. No. It is 6 plus 6 is 12.
Yes,
12
ma'am.
plus 12 is 24. Okay, 24 plus 24 you are saying it's
Ma'am, it is 48.
48.
48.
48 plus 48.
Ma'am, I have to say only.
No, next child will tell me. Jiga Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which one?
Every time it is adding the previous number. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. So 48 plus 48 will be? Unmute yourself.
96. 96.
Ma'am, is it 96?
Yes. It is 96. And 96 plus 96? Tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, may I say Moksha?
Yes, tell me Moksha.
Ma'am, 192. 192.
192. Manya, follow the next pattern and tell me what will come next.
Ma'am, Manya or Danya?
Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, pattern is of plus 4. 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. 27 plus 4 is equal to 31. Then it will come 31 plus 4 is equal to 35. 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. 39 plus 4 is equal to 43. 39 plus 4 is equal to 43. Yes, thank you.
Kevyan, you please stay in the class. Don't leave the class. I want to talk to you after the class. Don't leave the class. Please stay in the class, Kevyan. Can you hear me, Kevyan?
13.
66, 55, 44. What will come, Aradhya, next? Yes? Aradhya, tell me what will come next.
Ma'am, he was saying 30.
Tej Kumar, what will be the next? Okay, Aradhya. Tej Kumar, what will be the next?
Ma'am, 22.
Rajvi Nikhare, what will be the next?
Yes, ma'am. 44.
Anyone didn't tell how much it is minus.
Ma'am, 11. 11.
Ma'am,
Next. Bhavya Sagar. 9, 34, 59. What will be the next? Fast, Bhavya. 34 minus 9 will be what?
34 minus 9.
आप ऐसे ही निकालेंगे ना. 34 minus 9 is 25. So 25 is being added every time to the number. And then we are getting the next number. So 34 plus 25 is 59. 59 plus 25 will be? Tell me. $84. Am I right, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
84 plus 25.
Ma'am, it will be 84 only.
84 plus 25 will be 84 only.
109.
109. Then it will be 34, 134.
134.
134.
I said the last.
50, 30, 45.
Ma'am, it is 15.
Yes, tell me the last one. Who is
Ma'am,
who
may
told
I?
me? And can I say now?
Niva.
Niva. Yes, please.
Ma'am, 60, 75 and 90.
Very good.
90.
Ma'am, it's
So you will,
in table only.
yeah. So children, first worksheet we have done based on based on what?
Pattern.
Pattern. Which
Patterns.
patterns? Shapes.
Shapes.
Yes.
And shape.
Second worksheet we have done based on the
Number.
no. Yeah, follow the pattern and do the. It's related with shapes and numbers both.
Ma'am, I have
Then come the third, which is based on the number pattern. 3 worksheets we have discussed today. Am I clear with you all? I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
going to send you these 3 worksheets, but the due date will be different. The submissions date will be different. So you can send me within the time period. The 3 worksheets, complete them and send me within the time period. Am I clear?
I want to say something.
Yes, please, Vedant.
Ma'am, I have done the first worksheet. I have sent it in the class only. During the class.
Okay, I will check it after the class. Okay.
I have also sent it in Google form.
Okay. Now, little bit introduction I'm going to give you about the magic patterns. Okay. Open your page number 111. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 111. Open, everyone. Don't write anything. Just listen. Now close your books and notebooks, everything. Just pay attention here on the board. Magic patterns. These magic patterns we are going to learn in the magic triangles we are going to do today. Okay. Magic triangles. A big triangle hai. How it is magic, I will tell you how. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles are given. Now, I am going to give you one rule. Fill the numbers from 1 to 6 in this, and the total of the lines should come 9. मीन्स ये ऐसे भी 9 होना चाहिए, ऐसे भी 9 होना चाहिए और ऐसे भी टोटल 9 होना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers you are going to fill. 1 to 6 के numbers. Mute yourself, please, Anay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers we are going to fill in these circles so that the total of the lines should come 9. This will be given to you. इतना आपको given होगा, ठीक है? Now tell me, whenever we start, आपको एक भी नंबर नहीं given है, हम start कर रहे हैं. जब start करते हैं, we can write any number out of the given numbers. कहीं पे भी, अगर आप यहाँ से start कर रहे हैं, तो आप यहाँ पे भी कोई सा भी number out of इन numbers में से लिख सकते हैं. Clear? There is no rule. There is no rule कि हमें यहीं पे 4 लिखना है कि यहीं 5 लिखना है. No. ये सबका चेंज हो सकता है. Suppose I am going to fill this circle first. ये वाला circle मैं first पहले fill कर रही हूँ. And out of this given number, I am writing 4 here. पर जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे 4 लिख लिया, other 2 numbers का total और total 3 numbers का total होना चाहिए 9. So what other 2 numbers I'm going to fill here so that it should come 9. 4 already मेरे पास है. 9 minus 4 is?
Ma'am, 3.
9 minus 4 is 3?
5.
अब 5 means कौन से 2 numbers में यहाँ fill करूँ जिनका total
Ma'am, 3 and 2. 3 and 2.
3 and 2. अब इस साइड का टोटल तो मेरा 9 हो गया. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. मुझे इस साइड का टोटल भी 9 करना है. सो मैं 3 फिल कर चुकी हूँ, 2 भी फिल कर चुकी हूँ, 4 भी फिल कर चुकी हूँ. Remaining numbers are 1, 5 and 6.
Ma'am, input for 5 is 1 plus 6 plus. Ma'am,
5 fill करूं?
5 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 9.
आप यहाँ पे 1 लिख सकते हो और यहाँ पे 5 लिख सकते हो, यहाँ 5 लिख सकते हैं, इधर 1 लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So मेरा 1 भी हो गया और 5 भी हो गया. रिमेनिंग क्या है अब मेरे पास?
6.
अगर मैं आज 6 लिखती हूँ, क्या इस लाइन का टोटल 9 आ रहा है?
Yes.
So this is the magic triangle. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Hello, ma'am, if you write 5 down and 1 up.
हाँ, तब टोटल नहीं आता मेरा.
Ma'am, time up.
I know, Vedant. Okay, we will do more exercises with this coming magic triangle in the next classes. Come prepare and share with me. Okay. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
I want to show something.